This is a classic from Chen's earlier style. The girl carrying her young brother gazes to her left, and the bluebird of bliss trails behind them. The young brother smiles, fulfilled and blissful. The older sister has taken the responsibility of tending to family quarrels and her brother. One does not see resentment in her eyes, only true commitment and selfless love to her brother. The gray-toned background, her tight-bound headscarf, indigo skirt, and the dark and expressive eyes amplify the tension in the painting. This painting was inspired by The Bluebird, a play by the prominent playwright and poet Maeterlinck. To paraphrase Maeterlinck in The Bluebird, most of mankind never experience true happiness. They indulged in the illusion that material success conveys happiness. But the case is that true happiness comes from the spiritual bliss of helping others selflessly.